This has 44 grams of protein and under 400 calories. Ben & Jerry's cookie dough, 16 grams of protein and over 1,000 calories. Same flavor, I'll show you this one and 5 more. We've got chocolate chip cookie dough, cherry Garcia, Americone Dream, half-baked, Phish Food, and one that hit 52 grams of protein, which I'm saving for last because it broke my brain of how good it tastes. Let's get into it. First up, the chocolate chip cookie dough. I'll be using Fairlife's ultra-filtered fat-free milk, which has 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular skim milk. Now I'll add in some protein powder by Optimum Nutrition. This is the vanilla ice cream flavor, and I'll be using it for all the pints I'll be making today. And now some vanilla bean paste, which I do find has a stronger vanilla taste than vanilla extract, but you can use either one. Now some light brown sugar. This provides the essential molasses flavor and moisture needed to mimic the cookie dough flavor. Xanthan gum, and this is going to give the ice cream a nice creamy, thick texture as opposed to an icy brick. And lastly, some salt, which is going to make the flavor pop. We'll mix that up, freeze it for 24 hours, light ice cream setting, so it looks like this. We'll make a hole in the middle, add in some snackable chocolate chip cookie dough by Ben & Jerry's. I'm just going to stir in my cookie dough rather than putting it back into the creamy, because when you do that, you get small little chunks of cookie dough rather than big chunks. And there you have it, 388 calories and 44 grams of protein. Next, the cherry Garcia. In a blender, add in the milk, some of these cherries, and some zero sugar vanilla pudding mix for the vanilla taste and to give the ice cream its thick texture. Blend it up, and I did almost forget the protein powder, so add that in as well. Blend it into the pint and freeze for 24 hours. Light ice cream setting, so it looks like this. We'll add in thin slices of this dark chocolate and some quartered frozen cherries. Put that back in the creamy to get it all mixed in. 481 calories and 46 grams of protein. Next up, the Americone Dream. We'll add in milk, protein powder, some butterscotch sugar-free pudding mix, and to make it extra thick, we'll add in some xanthan gum. Mix it up, freeze for 24 hours, light ice cream setting, so it looks like this. Make a hole in the middle, add in some dulce de leche for that sweet caramel taste, and now some crushed waffle cones with fudge on top. And make sure to refrigerate this and then put it in your creamy. Mix that up, and there you have it. 464 calories and 44 grams of protein. Next up, half-baked. For this one, we're using 2 different bases, vanilla and chocolate. For the vanilla, add in your milk, protein powder, vanilla bean paste, xanthan gum, and salt. Mix and freeze that. And then for the chocolate, add in Fairlife's reduced fat chocolate milk, cocoa powder, xanthan gum, and some salt. Mix and freeze. We'll spin both of those. And now I'm just going to bring the chocolate into the vanilla and slowly mix that in. So it looks like this. And I'll throw on top some Ben & Jerry's half-baked bites, which is chocolate chip cookie dough and brownie bites. And there you have it. If you have half the pint, it's 352 calories and 44 grams of protein. Next, we have Phish Food. Add in Fairlife's reduced fat chocolate milk, protein powder, some unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolatey taste, xanthan gum, and some salt. Mix that and freeze it up. Light ice cream setting, make a hole in the middle. And I don't have the chocolate fish, so I'm using these mini chocolate chips instead. And then some caramel syrup. Mix that in, and now this part is key. We're getting some marshmallow fluff and slowly stirring it in to our creamy. And there you have it. 517 calories and 46 grams of protein. And here's the one I told you to stick around for, the Tonight Dough. Add the milk, protein powder, PB Fit to give it that peanut butter flavor without too many calories, a little bit of caramel syrup, xanthan gum, and salt. Mix and freeze, light ice cream setting. So it looks like this. Add in some cookie dough, mini Oreos, and just a little bit of peanut butter for that true, authentic peanut butter taste. Mix that in, and there you have it. 562 calories and 52 grams of protein.